Welcome back. In the quest for organizational excellence, a well-implemented filing system stands as the pillar of efficiency, ensuring swift access to vital information. In this lesson, we unravel the secrets behind setting up physical file cabinets and storage solutions, transforming clutter into clarity. Embarking on this journey requires a foundation in the principles of physical document storage. Recognizing your document types and determining the ideal filing system paves the way for a setup that's tailored to your unique needs. Selecting the right file cabinets and storage units is a dance of balancing capacity with accessibility. From the robustness of metal cabinets, safeguarding your confidential documents, to the convenience of open shelving for those files in constant use, each choice molds the efficiency of your workspace. Capacity and size. Assess the volume of documents to determine the size and number of file cabinets needed. Consider future growth to avoid quickly outgrowing your storage solution. Type of files. The nature of your documents, size, confidentiality level, frequency of access, will influence the type of cabinet or storage unit required. Lockable cabinets may be necessary for sensitive documents, while open shelving might suffice for frequently used files. Accessibility and ease of use. Ensure that cabinets and storage units are easily accessible to those who need them. Consider the ergonomics of drawer height and ease of opening, especially for files that are accessed regularly. Durability and security. Opt for durable materials that can withstand regular use and provide adequate security for confidential documents. Metal cabinets are a popular choice for their sturdiness and lockability. After selecting the right file cabinets and storage units, the next thing to do is to strategically design the layout of your filing area. Unleashes the full potential of your space. Implement a categorization system that mirrors the rhythm of your operations, using dividers, color coding, and clear labeling to guide the way. Organizing your space layout planning. Design the layout of your filing area to maximize space and efficiency. Keep frequently accessed files within easy reach and use clear signage or labeling to help staff find documents quickly. Categorization system. Implement your chosen filing system, e.g., alphabetical, numerical, consistently across all storage units. Use dividers, color coding, or other organizational aids to separate categories or sections. Maintaining a clean workspace. Regularly declutter and archive old or rarely used documents to free up space and maintain a clean working environment. Consider off-site storage for archival documents that are infrequently accessed but need to be retained. Strategically designing the layout of your filing area unleashes the full potential of your space. Implement a categorization system that mirrors the rhythm of your operations, using dividers, color coding, and clear labeling to guide the way. Let me give us safety and compliance tips. Compliance with regulations. Ensure that your filing system complies with any relevant legal or industry-specific document storage requirements, particularly regarding the storing of sensitive or personal data. Physical safety. Arrange file cabinets and storage units to prevent tipping or overcrowding, which can pose a safety hazards. Use wall anchors for tall cabinets to prevent tipping, and ensure aisles and pathways are clear of obstruction. Finally, the best practices for implementation. Labeling. Clearly label all cabinets and drawers for easy identification of contents. Consider using a master index or database to track the location of specific files or documents. Regular reviews. Schedule periodic reviews of your filing system to reassess its efficiency and make adjustments as needed. This includes purging outdated files and reorganizing sections that have become cluttered or inefficient. Staff training. Train staff on the proper use of the filing system, including filing and retrieval procedures, to ensure consistency and prevent misfiling. Are you ready to transform your physical filing system into a beacon of efficiency? Let today be the first step towards a more organized, productive, and secure future. Embrace the art of filing and watch as your office transforms before your eyes. We have just discussed how to set up and implement physical file cabinets and storage solutions, transforming clutter into clarity. We will go into the digital tools for electronic filing in the next class. Thanks for watching.